Good morning, children. Now I'm going to continue this page number 48. As we already seen the three sums in this exercises 5.4. Now we are going to continue the fourth sum. Match the following. This is from the page number 48. Match the following. Here they are given the numbers. You have to find out the answer. So first I'll write the question. Half part of rupees 1. Half part of rupees 1. Then second one, 1 by 4 part of rupees 4. Then third one, 1 by 2 part of rupees 10. Then fourth one, 3 by 4 part of rupees 100. Fifth one, 1 by 2 part of rupees 200. Okay, now we have to find out the answer. Here they are given the options as rupees 100 and then 50 paise, then rupees 75, and then fourth one is rupees 1 and fifth one is rupees 5. So they are given the numbers like this. I will explain this. Half part of rupees 1. Rupees 1 that is 100 paise. So how much is it? 2 50 times. So 1 rupee na 100 paise. So 100 paise convert panna, that is equal to 50 paise. So this is number 1. Okay, children. Then 1 by 4 part of rupees 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into rupees 4. 400 paise. This is 100 paise and 400 paise. 4 ones are 400s are 400. So 1 into 100, that is equal to 100 paise. That is equal to, rupees 100. This is the second one. Then third one, 1 by 2 part of 10. 1 by 2 into 10. So that is equal to 5. Appo enna answer? That is rupees 5. Rupees 5 is the third answer. And 3 by 4 part of 100. 3 by 4 of 100. 3 by 4 into 100. So that is equal to 4 2s are 8. 425 times 100 India. Appo 3 into 25, 75. So 75 rupees, that is the fourth one. And the last one is 1 by 2 part of 200. That is equal to 2 into 100, 200, that is 100. So 100 எங்க இருக்குது? That is, this is 5. Two is 100 paise, that is equal to rupee 1. So this is number 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 part of 1 is 50 paise, 1 by 4 part of 4 is, how much is second? Rupee 1. 1 by 2 part of rupees 10 is rupees 5. 3 by 4 part of rupees 100 is 75. And 1 by 2 part of 200 is 100. Okay, so this is the answer. Make a note down in your book. If you are having the book, you can make a note down. Now, the fifth one, same page number 48, sum number 5. Write the 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 parts of the following. So in this first sum they are given rupees 200. So in the 200 we have to put 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 is the how much rupees? So first I'll put rupees 200 into 1 by 4. That is equal to how much? Next, 200 into 1 by 2. Then 200 into 1 by 4. So in 4 tables, how many times we can take 20? So 4 5s are 20. 1 0 1 0 podunga. That is 50 into 1 is equal to rupees 50. Okay. Then 2 into 100. 200 வந்து 2 எத்தனை times? 100 times it will go. So 100 into 1 that is equal to rupees 100. Then 4 tables. 4 5s are 450 times 200. So 50 ones are 50. So that is equal to rupees, 3 by 4 this is. So 3 by 4. So 350s are 150 rupees, 150. So like this for all the sums, 5 sums are given. So for all the sums you have to put 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. And for the second sum, we are given rupees 10,000. Rupees 10,000. So 10,000 into 1 by 4. How much? 10,000 into 1 by 2. Then 10,000 into 3 by 4. So how much we have to say? In 4 tables, 4 2s are 8 and balance is 2, that is 5. 20. 4 5s are 20. So 2,500 rupees, 2,500. Then 2 5s are 10, 5,000. It is equal to rupees 5,000. Then again 4 2s are 8. 10 8 தான் போட்டிருக்கோம். Balance is 2. So 4 5s are 20. 2,500. 2 zeros to 2 zeros you put. If you multiply this with 3, you will get rupees 2 zeros, 3 5s are 15, 7,500. Okay. So like this, all the sums, can you do it by yourself? Third, fourth and fifth, I'll give this as a homework. You can try at home, children. 8,000. Then fourth one, this is the homework for you. Rupees 24,000. Examples I have given. So just do this. So each and every number you have to put 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. So that's all in this. And you take a book, children. If you are having the book only, we can say this information processing. So in this so do the sums, and this one is right there. So you have to write 1 by 4 part, 1 by 2 part and 3 by 4 part. So all this and 3 sums is the homework I have given. And now we will move on to the next one. Next one is Unit 6, Information Processing. This is the information processing. In this, a way of introducing the mathematical concept. This is modeling is an activity like drawings as sketches, physical models, computer programs or mathematical formulas. First in this information process, modeling. Modeling is what type of patterns you are going to do in this processing. It's like a sketches, we can do the other sketches or any shapes of physical models as well as a computer programs, everything. We will do this mathematical or any mathematical formula. Let us see the following models using the different shapes such as circles, rectangles and triangles. So, circles, rectangles and triangles. So, triangles. So, in these shapes, we can make it out a geometrical shape. So நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ just this is a say if train பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the coaches will be like this. So it's the shape of the rectangle and the wheel that seems to be the circle. So it will be going on like this, or you can write or triangle or square. So this is the geometrical shape this, and even house also we can make it as a triangle and here a square, and this is the rectangle is the shape of the entrance, and we can draw a man, circle, and this rectangle, and then again is rectangle like this. So these are the shapes you can easily draw. See, easily we can draw this. So this is the way we can draw this. Like this. This is the, so these are the shapes, modeling shapes in the information processing. Like that, even the chains also, say artistic chains, we can make a chains like this. So 2 circles and 1 rectangle shape, some plastic beads, and again the circle, and again the rectangle, then 2 circles, then rectangle. This page number 50. So like this the shapes will be going on. So you can put any shapes you will be have. So inga vandadukku appuram inga enna pannunga, you just dot one big circle and again you put one big circle like this. Any shapes you can draw. Okay, then again what I will do here, one dot, one rectangle, then 2 circles, then rectangle. So like this the different shapes you can draw it on your own. So like this the beads, any shapes you can use drawing the triangles. These 3 shapes are circles, rectangles and triangles. You can draw the beads also. Okay, here they are given the square. You have to say how many rectangles are there and how many triangles. See here they are given the like this. So in this, how many triangles? So there are 12 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 12 triangles. And square is 6 squares. So this is the triangles, 12 triangles and 6 squares. Like that, in this, how many is there? So center. So how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 triangles, and square is 1 and 2. So this is the information processing. And then in rectangle, this triangle, how many is there? So how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3. So number of triangles is 3. Square la no square at all. So dash you put. Okay. So here they are given some of the shapes also. So the next one is here their activity 2. The following shapes are drawn instead of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shall we find the numbers for the each shape? So they given the instead of numbers, we have to add the shapes. So circle is there plus the star is given. Okay, is equal to the star. Then square, then plus circle is equal to square is given. Again 2 squares into 2 squares. Instead of numbers, they are given the shapes. We have to find out the number and the diamond they are given. Okay, then square plus triangle is equal to, we have to find out the number. Okay, here what they are given, star, that is equal to 1. And we have to find out for circle what's the number, And square, what's the number? And then oval shape, and then the diamond, and then the triangle. So here the star is 1. So inga star 1. அப்போ எதோட வரிசைத்தா 1 வரும்னா நம்ம circle 0 னு வச்சிட்டா that is equal to 1. So circle is 0. So next sum is square. Square வந்து நான் 2 I will put. So 2 plus 0 that is equal to 2 because square is equal to 2 னு வச்சிருக்கேன். Then here square is 2 சொல்லியிருக்கேன். இந்த square and so 2 into 2 4. So அப்போ diamond is 4 னு வச்சுக்கலாம். Then square is 2 plus triangle. Triangle வந்து நான் 3 னு வச்சுக்கிறேன். That is equal to 5. So triangle is 3 and oval shape is 5. Like this you have to find. Can you understand? Star க்கு 1 னு already they had given. So I'll put 1. So 0 ஓட 1 சேர்த்தா தான் 1 star. That is the answer. So already they have given this as an example. Okay. Then இப்போ சர்க்கிள் வந்து 0 போட்டால் அப்போ ஸ்கொயருக்கு என்ன போடலாம்? we can put 2. So 2 plus 0 that is equal to 2. அப்போ ஸ்கொயருக்கு 2 போடுங்க. இப்போ 2 ஸ்கொயர் இருக்குது. ஸோ 2 ஸ்கொயருக்கு 2 into 2 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் we will get a 4. அப்போ டைமண்ட்க்கு we can put 4. Here you can see the symbol also they are already given. And then here square plus triangle equal to oval shape. அப்போ ஸ்கொயருக்கு ஆல்ரெடி 2 போட்டிருக்கோம். Triangle வந்து we can put 3, that is equal to 5. So oval shape is 5 and triangle is 3. So in this way we can do this. So many sums are there. So everything is in the book. You can see the book and do everything, children. That will be easy for us to do everything. Okay. So if you are having the book only, we can see this. The next one, they are given the picture like this. Square, and here one square is here. Then like this, then here, and they are given the circle. So inga on the circle, here also, all the 4 corners they are given the circle. And in the middle, just like a flower is given. So we have to write number of circles. Number of circles. How many circles are there? Number of circles. Then number of triangles. How many triangles are there? Number of squares. So number of circles how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 triangles. How many squares? 1 and 2. So that's it. So they will give the shape like this and you have to find it out. And the next one is exercise number 6.1. Now we will move on to the exercise 6.1. Choose the correct answer. 6.1. In this, which shape has 6 triangles? Which shape has 6 triangles? In the shape, 3 shapes they கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So 6 triangles எங்க இருக்கு? Then show B and C. Then again here 1. So 4 options they are given. So which one is having the 6 triangles? That is here and this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Then second one. Which garland has 12 beads? They are given. Find which garland. which garland has 12 beads. ஸோ அவங்க வந்து beads வந்து A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D. Here they are given 10 beads draw பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Here they are given 8 beads draw பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. And here 12 beads. And here 11 beads. So like this they are drawn. 9, 10. So here 8 beads, and here 12 beads, and here 11 beads, and here also 12 beads here also. So which garland has 12 beads? So which you have to count the beads and then tick the answer. Then answer the following. Second one is answer the following. Same exercise, page number 52. In this, first sum they are given, then square, then triangle, then here like this chain mari koduthirukanga. So again they are drawing like this square, 2 squares, then triangle, then again like this. So it goes on continue. So 4, 4, double 4, 3, 5, double 4, and then they are given the dash 1, 6 dash they are given. So 3, 5, 4, 4 and 3, 5. That is 4, 4 kapra 3, 5, 4, 4. So 4, 4 mudidili again 3, 5, 4, 4. Again 3, 5, 4, 4. So in the number double 4 kapra enna mudidinga 3, 5, 4, 4. So 4, 4 ku again enna mudidu 3, 5. So you can write 3 and 5. And second sum 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 5 and 8 அப்படி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Dash, 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 dash. So what you have to do? You have to see. முன்னாடி இருக்கிற நம்பரை ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. அப்போ 8 plus 5, 13. இப்போ 13 8 ஆட் பண்ணால் 21. 21 13 ஆட் பண்ணால் முன்னாடி இருக்கிற நம்பரை ஆட் பண்ணிங்க. That gives you 34. 34 plus 21, 55. புரியுதா? 1 plus 1 தான் 2 போட்டிருக்காங்க. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 13 ஓட 8 முன்னாடி ஆட் பண்ணால் 21. And 21 and 13 if we add this you will get 34. 34 and 21 we will get the 55 is the answer. Next for third sum, if triangle is equal to 3. Okay. If triangle is equal to 3, then square is equal to 4 and this equal to 5. So அங்கே ஒவ்வொரு ஷேப்க்கு ஒரு வேல்யூ கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. We have to find out. First sum triangle plus square plus this plus again triangle is equal to triangle minus box is equal to dash. So in the triangle can have value 3 plus square ku vandu 4 plus hexagon ku vandu 5 and triangle ku vandu again you have to add 3 and this square shape is 4. இங்கே மைனஸ் சைன் இருக்கிறதால -4. that is equal to how much? ஸோ எல்லாத்தையுமே ஆட் பண்ணுங்கள். 4 plus 3 7 plus 5 12 plus 3 15. 15 minus 4 that is equal to 11 is the answer. The next sum is box. ப்ளஸ் மைனஸ் எதுவுமே கொடுக்கல. இங்கே மட்டும் மைனஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ட்ரையாங்கிள். ஸோ பாக்ஸுக்கு எவ்வளோ வேல்யூ? ஸ்கொயருக்கு வந்து 4. அப்போ 44 மைனஸ் triangle is 3, 33. 44 minus 33 is equal to 11. Okay, like this you can see the value and add the shapes. And here they are given the creative shapes. You can do it by yourself by using the circle, square and rectangle, like the beads or bangles or earrings you might have seen. Okay children, now this is it. So that's all this information processing unit 6, and we have finished this second term already over. So I gave the homework. So complete this homework and do this in the classwork children. Thank you.